Hey guys, my name is Jawad and I'm a full stack web developer. So I'm creating a playlist for those of you who want to start with web development. This playlist is gonna be for absolute beginners. So for those of you who doesn't have any experience with web development, yeah, let's get started. So before we start, I want to tell you guys that every example that I'm gonna be doing here, you guys should follow along with me and do the example by yourself too. So after you did that, then do a couple more until you feel comfortable enough in it, and then move on to the next video. Don't just keep skipping to the next video and stuff. So I want you guys to really learn this because the fundamental is very important. In the next video, I'm gonna be talking about what you need to have for you to start with web development and explain what technologies we're going to be using, which are HTML and CSS. So I'm going to explain that. Those are the basic languages that we're going to be using. Um, and that will be it. So I will see you guys in the next video. Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video, this is our very first step of getting started with web development. So the very first thing we need to do is download a code editor that we can write our code in, and that's how we're gonna be uh, writing our HTML and CSS to develop our websites. So what you're gonna do is go ahead, so go to Sublime Text. So what you can do is Google Sublime, and then it will be the very first link over here. Once you click on come there. So I'm using a Mac, but if you have a Windows or anything else, that's fine. You can still download Sublime. It's really nice, as you can see in this video. So yeah, so go ahead and click on download, and it should start downloading soon. So once you download it, let's see. So double click on it. It should pop up something over here. It's downloading, but I already have it downloaded, so I'm not gonna go and download it and all that. So once you download it, you can go ahead and open it. So I have it right here. Uh, let's see. So yeah, so it looks something like this, and this is just one of the examples that I did earlier. So yeah, that's all you need to get started as of right now. And then in the next video, I'm gonna show you how to create a file like this. Hey guys, so in this video, I'm gonna talk about what is HTML and CSS. HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. So HTML is used for creating websites and documents, and then CSS is used for that too. But the difference between both of them is that HTML is used to build blocks, elements of the website, like the paragraphs, the headers, the pictures you see in there. So that's all how that's what you use HTML for, to display all that in your website. So for example, if we go over here, see all of these text and the videos, all these buttons, these links and everything, that's all HTML. And then CSS is all the design that you use in your website. So for example, all this color, you see how you create this your nav bar like this, uh, how you design your buttons. So yeah, that's what CSS is most used for, just design, and then HTML is used for all the elements that you're going to be showing at your website, so like the text and everything. So up here to the left, this is just a basic HTML skeleton. Don't worry about all of this. I'm gonna explain this in other videos. But right now, I just want you to understand what HTML and CSS are. So for example, here, so inside my body, I'm gonna just say, "Hello world." So if I save this up, and then what I'm gonna do is, up here is my file, I'm just gonna drag this over here and it's gonna open up. So as you can see, it says hello world. Now I can create different stuff. So I'm gonna create a header. So I'm gonna say, hey you, welcome. So if I save this and come back over here, so like if you look right underneath that hello world, it's gonna display that. The same thing you can do with a paragraph. So a P is a paragraph. You can say bye. And if I save this up, see now how you see all this text. So that's what HTML is. And then you can create the input. If you save this up, you're gonna see an input box over here where you can type in. So, and now CSS is for the design. So right now I'm gonna just show you a small example of a design here. What I'm gonna do is change the color of this header one. So this is just an example I'm gonna be doing. If you go down here, I'm gonna create H1 and say background color. I'm gonna set it up to red. Now if you look at the background over this, you see that it turned red. You can just change the color to white. So if you save that up, see, changes that. So yeah, that's what HTML and CSS does to your website, and those are the both of them are the fundamental of web development. If you don't know HTML, you can't create websites. So yeah, that's all for in this video, and then in the next video I'm gonna get more in depth into HTML. So the way I'm gonna continue from now on is first I'm gonna teach you guys HTML, what it is, learn the basics of that, and then in the next few videos we will learn how to add CSS into our HTML and connect them both. So I will see you guys in the next video, and don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment if you have any questions for me, and I will see you guys in the next video.